Hi folks, in today's video tutorial I'm going to show you how to download and install PTC Creo 10. First of all, you need to log in to PTC software download. You can use the link and choose the Creo parametric. From the Creo parametric, please select the latest release, Creo 10, and download approximately 6 gigabytes of the zip file. Extract zip file and run setup exe. You need to install new software, and please select the next button and accept all necessary license agreement and continue by next. In the license identification, you can drag and drop your license file, or you can, if the license is available, please write 7788 and hostname. In the next window, you are able to choose custom location, specify the extension for the installation or definition of the custom options, or install API Toolkit. Also, it's possible to select license to run and specify what kind of licenses you would like to run during the launching the Creo. You can specify where the shortcut will be created and then run installation. Finish and run Creo from the desktop, and then Creo 10 is ready to use. Thank you and stay tuned. Bye bye. Vladimir.